as the world is currently recovering from the aftereffects of the COVID-19 pandemic, a silent crisis is brewing as many Malaysians struggle to feed themselves, with reports of food insecurity skyrocketing as job losses and wage cuts leave many unable to afford basic necessities. Imagine waking up every day not knowing where your next meal is coming from and not having enough funds to buy food. Some of you might be wondering, is it food insecurity is all about being hungry? Well, it's more than that. It's also about not having the access to healthy and nutritious food to sustain a healthy lifestyle. From Twitter to Facebook, Malaysian citizens are sharing their struggles about affording food and the emotional toll it takes on themselves and their families, suggesting that this issue needs to be addressed promptly. Unfortunately, it is not an easy task to identify those who are at risk of food insecurity before it becomes a crisis. Worries aside, this is where my project comes in. My project aims to identify those who are at risk of getting food insecurity from Twitter. I gathered data from Twitter and analyzed thousands of tweets from users using keywords. Keywords that describe the characteristics of food insecurity will be fed into the machine learning algorithms. Simple vector machine, knife-based, and long-stay regression are some of the best performing classifiers out there, according to previous research. Here, I can extract patterns that can identify those who are struggling to feed themselves. Using sentiment analysis, I can assign a sentiment score to each tweet and use this score to assign each tweet into different risk categories ranging from mild to severe. People who express negative sentiments are more likely to high risk of food insecurity, while those with positive sentiments are not struggling with food insecurity. What's really interesting about this project is that it provides a new way of identifying those at risk of food insecurity, something that wasn't possible before. Previously, identifying food insecurity heavily relied on surveys and questionnaires, which is time-consuming and expensive. With the help of social media data, identifying those kind of risks can be done in a much quicker and action way. These findings will be presented in a form of an interactive dashboard, which provides insights for governments, bodies, and NGOs to address this pressing issue, to intervene and help those in need. It's hoped that with this project, it can help to raise awareness on the severity of the global food crisis across the country and social media platforms. And this highlights the importance of monitoring social media for early signs of food insecurity and the continuing research for this area. I was Marquis, thank you.